So now we're going to look at odds, which is related to but different from probability. So this is titled, What are the odds? I'm sure you've heard that phrase before, and I'm fairly certain the person saying it really meant what's the probability of that happening. Mathematically speaking, probability and odds are two different things, related but different. So odds compare the number of favorable outcomes, and sometimes we'll call those successes, to the number of unfavorable outcomes. And we'll call those failures. If all outcomes in a sample space are equally likely, and S of them are favorable to the event E, and again we're going to call those successes, and the remaining F outcomes are unfavorable, and remember we called those failures, then the odds in favor of event E are, and we're going to write a ratio, the number of successes to the number of failures. And if this ratio can be reduced, we do reduce it. And the odds against the event E are, well, we're just going to switch that around. Failures, the ratio of failures to success. So how does this compare to the probability of the event happening? Well, the numerator would be the number of successes. And please remember that the denominator is the total ways that that can happen. So we would add our success to failure, to the number of failures. So again, odds in favor, odds against, probability. And usually what will happen here is they will give you one of these items and they will ask you for the other two. So as you see, since we only have successes and failures, we ought to be able to find the other two that they did not ask for.